Hello children, good morning and welcome back to English class. Children, today we are going to do exercises based on the chapter number 5, that is adjectives. In my previous video, I have already explained you what are adjectives. So, now it's time to do some exercises based on this chapter. So, let's get started. Describing words or adjectives. This is a small mouse. This is a red rose. Now children, here the word small describes the size of the mouse and the word red describes the color of the rose. This is a fat boy. This is a big house. Now here children, fat and big are adjectives. The word fat describes the body mass of the boy and the word big describes the size of the house. This is a pretty doll. This is a long pencil. Now here in these two sentences, pretty and long are adjective. The word pretty describes the beauty of the doll and the word long describes the length of the pencil. Now words that describe people, places, animals and things are called describing words, or we can say adjectives. So I hope that you have understood what are adjectives. Now let's start the exercise. The first one is match the naming word with a suitable describing word. Now the first one is cute baby, red apple. Third one is lovely dress. Fourth one is hot tea. And the fifth one is heavy box. Now the next exercise. Underline the word that describes the picture. The first one is an insect has dash legs. How many legs? Very good, 6 legs. An elephant is a large animal. Now third one is a car has 4 wheels. Fourth one is leaves are green. As you can see in the picture also, the color of the leaves are green. Now the fifth one is honey is sweet. Sixth one is fire is hot. Seventh is a giraffe has a long neck. As you can see in the picture also, these shoes are clean. Ninth one is a rock is soft or hard. It is hard. Lions are strong animals. Now the next exercise is you have to choose the suitable adjectives for the given naming words. Naming words are given in the box. You have to select the suitable adjective for it. Okay, first one is a happy child. Second one is a sharp knife. Third one is a new car. Fourth one is a strong man. Fifth one is a cold day. Sixth one is a sweet mango. Seventh is a long stick. Eighth one is an old woman. Ninth is a tall building. And the last one, an empty plate. Now the next exercise is you have to look at the picture and add a naming word. First is a clever fox. Second is a beautiful rose. Third one is a good boy. Fourth one is a young man. Fifth one is an old woman. And the last is hot tea. Now you have to fill in the adjective from the box to describe the elephant. Adjectives are given in the box. Sharp, ripe, strong, small, short, heavy, old, big, long, and grey. Now let's read it. This is an old elephant. It is grey in color. It eats ripe bananas, coconuts, and sugarcane. It is a big animal. It has a strong trunk, two sharp tusks, and two small eyes. Its legs are long. It has a short tail. It can carry heavy things. Now children, read the story carefully, looking at the adjectives which are given in red color. This is Bunny. Bunny is a baby rabbit. He has two long ears, a pink nose, four little paws, and one round fluffy tail. Bunny goes hop, hop, hop on the green grass. Plop! Big water drops fall on his head. It is raining. Bunny is wet and cold. He sits under a big tree. Soon it stops raining. The sun comes out. Bunny is happy. Off he goes to play. Hop, 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 hop. Now you have to put right or wrong in brackets. Number 1 is Bunny is a big rabbit. It is wrong. Bunny is a small rabbit. He has a pink nose. Yes, it is correct. Bunny has short ears. No, Bunny has long ears. When the sun comes out, Bunny is happy. Yes, it is right. Bunny goes home. No, it is wrong. Now children, read about Prem's bag. Pick out the adjectives and write them in the space which is given below. This is Prem's bag. It is red bag. It has small pockets with zips. It has a black strap. It is not a new bag. He bought it last year. He can keep many books in it. It has a special pocket for pen and pencils. Prem goes carries a big lunch box in it. First one is red. Second one is 3, which is given in the second line. Say in the same line, small. Then black, it is given in the third line. Then last, it is given in the fourth line. Then many, it is given in the fifth line. Then special, it is in the sixth line. And the last one is big. Now let's talk wishing someone. It's my birthday today. Oh really? Many happy returns of the day. Thank you. Now children, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.